Hello and welcome as we move into Wednesday, the 15th day of February 2017. Welcome. Take a look at the daily charts for both silver and Bitcoin. And here's some people wondering where their silver might be with an ETF claim. I'm sure many people have wondered that before, thinking they actually get gold and silver within funds like SLV and GLD. But I was wondering what happened to volatility when the Fed speaks, because today there really wasn't much available. But before we get into the charts, just a few market headlines or headlines on silverdoctors.com. Production plunging at a large silver mine in Australia. This is going to affect a few million ounces on the production that is going to be lower. And like oil, how it costs more to get it as it's harder to get. It's the same way with silver. The cost for them to mine the silver, they're not getting as much with their work, that is. Trump should default on debt. He would be very experienced with defaulting on debt. He's probably done it with many of his ventures in the past. I think what would be effective is for the masses to be aware of how the debt system works. Explain in a way where the masses can understand how that would be done. I don't know. Recession 2017 ? Ominous signs emerge. Okay, it's like saying the Cleveland Browns in football are starting to look really bad, or they're getting worse. And well, that's an NFL franchise that is about the bottom barrel there is. But we had a recession in 2008. They had the so-called recovery beginning in 2009, and quite frankly, it's been a clear economic depression from my point of view for quite some time now. But the news of a recession will hit the news. That will cause the markets to react as they would. Silver market set up for much higher price move than gold. Expert. It's to me, that's not a hard thing to state, but it's another way of stating when the markets are bullish for precious metals, silver will do better, and they'll do worse when they are bearish. However, within the way that the ratio being so high, I would be saying the same thing as well. So the trend for the silver market remains as such. The movement on Tuesday encountered a high barely above the previous one, which has been the trend. There's been several days of higher highs. And then the support came in at the 18 average of highs, which has been support the entire run through. So nothing more to state. Trend staying in the same format. And we'll now move on to the daily Bitcoin chart. This is day 5, maybe for some people day 6. If you count this day here, I guess you probably should. Within this 18 average correctionary phase, correction from this last leg higher. And so far it has done so, but it has neither broken out to extend its gains, nor has it done anything to damage any of these uptrends at this point either. So as long as it stays in here, it's neutral with an extreme bullish bias, as there's so many levels for why I can state that to be such. I have in a few other videos in the past, but just keep it at that. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.